Hi, today I've heard of you OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings, then tap to voice section and tap to voice match. To activate OK Google option or Hey Google option, we should click once on the switcher, then tap to more, I agree, and say OK Google. OK Google. Hey, OK Google. So tap to next. And now one will say OK Google, so we can see that this option successfully activated. If you want to change after that the voice model, you should click here voice model, retain voice model, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.